In this tutorial, I will show you edit menu options in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already drawn a shape here, and I have copied in same shape in another layer. So this is edit menu, this is undo move, redo and toggle last step. So I am drawing and shape here. You can see here is undo rectangle tool. So last action will be undo. This will be gone. If I select here, I can click Ctrl Shift G from keyboard to redo it. Ctrl Shift G, and also toggle last state on Alter Ctrl plus Z. If I Ctrl Alter Z, it will be gone. It will back to the last state. Also, here is a fade option. I will show you in later. This is fade option. This is cut option. I am Ctrl Shift G to back it. If I cut this, I can cut this. Ctrl X. This is cut. After cutting it, I can paste it here again. I can paste it here. So I would like to create new layer, and I can paste it in this layer. You can see here is the details. Here is the, it is pasted in new layer. So you can cut and paste. Also I am drawing and shape again, and you can see this is cut, copy. I can copy and paste here. Also paste is special, paste in place. You can paste in same place or paste into. You can copy fast, and you can see this is paste in place. Here is this option available, and this is paste in place. You can see this is the, it is created a new layer and placed in the same position. So I am deleting it again. So I am copy it again and paste special. I would like to show you clear. If you click here clear, it will be gone. The shape and the layer will be gone. Also here is another option. This is copy merged option. If I select this marquee selection tool, if I select this two shape, you can notice that this is in two layers. Here is the option. This is copy merged option will be available there. So I am clicking here, and I have already created a new file, and here I am pasting it, and you can see now the two separate layer shape has been merged and has been copied as merged and placed. Now it is placed here. So that was edit menu few options for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.